Hi everyone, welcome to English is Easy with RB. Today we're going to learn 3 English phrases using bad. Bad blood, badly off, and then badly off for. First, we'll talk about bad blood. Bad blood means angry feeling. So if I say that there has been bad blood between the two families, it means maybe they are not in talking terms, maybe they are not in good terms at this moment, then badly off, which means without much money. So if I say she is not badly off at the moment, it means she is financially stable at this moment. She doesn't need money. And at the same time, if I say he is badly off at the moment, it means he needs money. He doesn't have enough money. Okay. Now there's a difference between badly off and badly off for. When we use badly off, we mean that someone lacks money. It means without much money. When we say badly off for, it means without much or many. So it could be badly off for textbooks. Maybe someone doesn't have textbooks. She is badly off for textbooks. Or they are badly off for clothes. That means they do not have enough clothes. Okay? So once again, bad blood means angry feeling, badly off means without much money, and badly off for means without much or many. Now, that could be textbooks, that could be clothes. It depends on you how you want to use it. Anyhow, I hope you got to learn something new. I'll meet you again tomorrow with a new video. Until next time, this is RB signing off.